Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope that all of you are fine. I am fine too, by the grace of Almighty Allah. Dear students, you know that now we are passing this time. So, in a very critical moment because of COVID-19. In this situation, you have to know maintain some rules of health. When you go out from home, then you have to maintain some rules of health, and you have to use mask when you will go out. So dear students, today I will discuss about degree. This topics superlative to comparative. Today, after completing my lecture, you have to know how to change superlative to comparative. So, now I am going to conduct my online class. Let's start my class. Dear students, you can see I have written the structure, the superlative to comparative form. The superlative to comparative. You can see the structure. First time you have to write the subject, after you have to write verb, after you have to write comparative form. Comparative form. After then any other, or then most other. Then any other, then most other. After the next part of superlative form. The next part of superlative form. Dear students, now I am giving some examples. I hope that if you pay your full attention, then you will be benefited. So dear students, you will pay my lecture. Some example. He is the best student in the class. Dear students, first time you have to follow which is command in the bracket. You can see this is command comparative. Now we will change superlative to comparative. This sentence is superlative sentence. This sentence is superlative sentence. He is the best student in the class. He is the best student in the class. You can see this one superlative form. Best is superlative form. We know that the before of the superlative form we will use the. Now we will change superlative to comparative. First time we have to write the subject. We have to write subject. We can see he is the best student in the class. We know that he is subject. This one subject. Now I will write he. After we have to write verb. We can see this one verb. After we can see the best student. The best is superlative form. The best is superlative form. We know there are three kinds of degree: positive, comparative, and superlative. We can say this one adjective 1, adjective 2, adjective 3. The best superlative form means adjective 3. Now we will write the comparative form. Now we will write the comparative form. This one superlative form, we know that the best is comparative form is better. The comparative form is better. After we will write then any other, or then most other. Then any other, or then most other. Dear students, you will remember that when you will see in the sentence of superlative degree, he is one of I can retain one of. Dear students, you can follow when you will see one of in the superlative sentence, then you will write then most other. Otherwise, you will take then any other. Dear students, we can see clearly there is no one of. There is no one of in the sentence, or you will see the noun is plural number. The noun is plural. Then you will write the then most other. Dear students, I am saying clearly, when you will see subject verb after one of, subject verb after one of, if there is one of, then you will write then most other. Otherwise, you will write then any other. That means we can see there is no one of, then we will write then any other. Then any other. After we will write the next part of superlative form. This one superlative. The next part of superlative form. We can see the superlative form the best. Superlative form the best. The next part is student in the class. The next part is student in the class. Dear students, again I am saying, first time you have to write subject, after you will write verb, after you will see one of. You will see one of in the superlative sentence, then you have to write then most other. Otherwise, you have to write then any other. First time we will write subject, verb, comparative form. Subject plus comparative form. After you will write then any other. If there is no one of, then you will write then any other. After the next part of superlative form. After the next part of superlative form. I hope that you will understand. Now I am giving another example. Rahul is one of the tallest boy in the class. Dear students, we can see this one subject, Rahul is one of the tallest boy in the class. Rahul is one of the tallest boy in the class. Now we will change the comparative degree. First time we have to write the subject. For this subject we can see Rahul is subject. After we will write verb. We can see is one verb. After we will write the comparative form of superlative degree. After we will write the comparative form. We can see which is superlative form. We can see the tallest is the superlative form. There tallest is superlative form. Now we will write the comparative form. Now we will write the comparative form. We know the comparative form of tallest, taller. After we will write then any other or then most other. We have to write then any other or then most other. When you will see in the sentence one of, when you will see in the sentence one of, then you have to write then most other. That means we can see one of, there is one of, then we have to write then most other. Now we will write then most other. Yes, students, now we write, we have written, then most other. After we will write the next part of superlative form. The next part of superlative form. We can see the next part of superlative form, boys in the class. Boys in the class. Yes, students, Rahul is better, Rahul is taller than most other boys in the class. This is the answer. Now, I will give you another example. She is one of the most brilliant student Yes, students, we can see this is this sentence is, she is one of the most brilliant students in the class. She is one of the most brilliant students in the class. Now we will write first time subject, which is subject. She is subject. After we will write verb is. After we have to write the comparative form. We have to write the comparative form. We can see there is comparative, there is superlative form, the most brilliant, the most brilliant. Now we will write the comparative form. Dear students, you will remember that when you will see the most brilliant, the superlative form, then you will change only most. You will change most. After you will write the more brilliant. You can change most. You will write the more brilliant. More brilliant. Then subject verb comparative form. After you have to write then any other or then most other. So we can see one of in the sentence. That means we have to write then most other. Then most other. After we will write the next part of superlative form. We can see the next part of superlative form in the sentence. Students in the class. Students in the class. So dear students, I hope that you understand because this topic is very easy. I hope you will practice at home and you have to read more and more, then you will be understand. So dear students, in this situation you must take care of your health and you have to maintain some rules because in this situation is very critical. So dear students, that's for today. See you again my next class. Okay, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.